Michael Burry is a well-known financial expert and investor who has been known for his pessimistic views on various assets for years. He gained notoriety in May 2020 when he accurately predicted that inflation would get out of control, which was well before many other financial experts saw it coming. Burry attributes his accurate prediction to his ability to look at monetary policy, printing money, and government spending and predict what would happen in the future. In light of his prediction, many startups and Silicon Valley industries have already begun massive layoffs, and Burry now believes that index funds are in a bubble due to investors' overexposure to the S&P 500 index without considering the fundamental valuations of individual companies. Burry predicts that stock indexes will crash as equities are unloaded en masse, and he believes that buying and holding stock market indexes without proper analysis is a new bubble in the making. He was also right about Tesla and Cathie Wood's ARK Invest ETF, but he bought his long put options on these two too early and likely lost money. Despite his early calls, Burry is often right, but he is usually in the right place at the wrong time. For example, his big short on the housing market was even too early, but he still made a lot of money and had a great exit. Now, Burry predicts that inflation will keep going up despite financial experts and central banks expecting a deflationary environment. He explains that the velocity of money is increasing faster than the decline in money supply in the economy, which will drive inflation higher. Burry is not impressed by big rallies during bear markets because he knows they are common and that dead cat bounces are the most epic. He cites historical data from the Nasdaq and S&P 500 to show that huge stock market gains, despite weak economic fundamentals, don't impress him and that the market has a long way to go before reaching a long-term bottom. In his 2023 housing market predictions, Burry says that the rising pressure on the housing market will lead to skyrocketing inflation in the second round. He cites a recent blog post that highlighted the U.S. inflation figure of 8.6% for May 2022, which was at a 41-year high and pushed 30-year fixed mortgage rates up to 6%. The blogger who wrote the post said that the stock market would be down a lot more if investors fully understood the housing market's problems. Burry agrees with the majority of the points made in the post and thinks that the worst is yet to come for the economy, making it hard for the Fed to lower interest rates due to high inflation. In conclusion, Michael Burry's expert views and accurate predictions have made him a well-known figure in the financial world. He predicts that inflation will continue to rise and that the housing market will face skyrocketing inflation. With his insights and analysis, it's evident that he has a strong understanding of the economy and the financial markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest financial news, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful.